You know, I've been thinking. I feel like me and you been friends for a while, and I think our connection is so unique and so powerful. And I feel like we complement each other. I feel like we both, um, we both aligned with each other. We both are compatible with each other's goals. You compliment me and vice versa. So I just wanted to know if you wanted to kind of take it to the next level. What you think? You okay with that? Just me and you, nobody else.
Jeremiah, let's enhance the world. Say no more. Say what? Say no more. I got a banger for y'all today. Veltree chicken wings, baby. So we got the drumsticks. We got the collard greens. Oh, I almost forgot. Cornbread. Don't worry. I'm going to give you an insight on what it is like to be incredible. Without this food, you will not be super. You have to get this food to be super. The Black Panther will be stripped away if you don't try this food. I'm going to be doing a food review for Veltree. It is a vegan restaurant in Charlotte, and I have tried this before personally, and I just wanted to try it on camera, I guess, just to get another feel. And this time I'm going to do it for the sake of the video and pay more attention to the flavors that complement each other. This is what it looks like. I've been kind of like messing with it a little bit for the sake of the video with the rice and the beans, but it's essentially drumsticks that are vegan. Okay, the drumsticks are vegan. And I'm not really sure what they're made out of. I want to say it's like some type of a wheat or something like that binds it. And the texture is very similar to like a chicken wing. I'm not sure what they use for the drumstick part, but it's very similar to that. Then you got the cornbread. You never can go wrong with cornbread. I love cornbread. And then you got your collard greens, and then you got your beans of rice. So it's like it's definitely soul food. So let's try it. The rice and beans, not bad. Can't go wrong with that though. If you are able to mess up beans and rice, let me know so I can go ahead and call the emergency for you. Then we got the greens. I think it would taste good and better if it had some seasoning on this joint. But it's not bad. Now the cornbread. The cornbread almost tastes like cake. It's almost like sweet. But I like it. It's definitely something that you could probably find at your local Thanksgiving family house if they're vegan. And the grand finale. The chicken wing, the drumstick. Does this look like a chicken wing to you? There's a drumstick. There's like a stick. They put some type of wheat around it, but this is the drumstick. So let's try it. Y'all gonna have to give me a second. It tastes similar to chicken, but it still doesn't taste like chicken. But it tastes really good. I can't really pinpoint the flavor. It is really good. It's not good enough to slap your mama, but it'll make you want to hug her for a really long time, to the point where it's really awkward and she asks you to get off of her 10 to 12 times. So would I recommend it? I would recommend it. It's not bad. It is a little pricey for what you get. I think it's like $12 to $15 if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that though, because I could be wrong and I don't want them to see this video and be like, oh my god, what are you doing? Because I love Veltree. I love Veltree. By the way, if you guys have a food restaurant, a food product, or anything like that that you want me to review, go ahead, send an email to jeremiahvegan@gmail.com. Let me check you out. Let me know what you're talking about. And we can do a video about your product or your restaurant or whatever the case may be. Until then, subscribe. Do. Peace and hair grease. Look, get my good side. Get my good side.